Hi, I'm Dr. Beth DuPree, here for Signal Relief. No matter where or how it occurs in your body, everything you feel is the result of electrical and chemical signals running throughout the nervous system. When a sensation of discomfort is sent through your body, an imbalanced electrical field is created. Signal Relief's patented technology is designed to divert and absorb this imbalance at the source, helping you experience drug-free, non-invasive relief. When the inventors of our patented technology were working on improving communication systems for the U.S. military, they accidentally discovered that the antennas they had designed also had the ability to interact with the human body. When placed on the source of your discomfort, the nanocapacitors inside each Signal Relief patch work to detect, divert, and absorb the message your body is sending out until eventually the energy absorbed by the patch is converted to heat. Thus, the reason you may feel warming relief when the patch is in the right place. Of course, everybody and every body is unique, so finding the source of your discomfort might take some patience. The key is to place the Signal Relief patch closest to the source of the most intense discomfort. This is typically near the area of injury or just slightly above, between that area and the brain. Once you find the right spot, you'll know it. Most people experience the best results after leaving the patch on for 72 hours, although some experience relief within minutes. If you're not convinced it works, you're not alone. Everyone on our team started out as skeptics too, but feeling is believing, so you can put the Signal Relief technology to the test. You truly have nothing to lose but the discomfort that's holding you back.